Are you at that point where you wish you could send your teenager back to the sender? Ha, wishful thinking, huh? If I could show you how you can raise disciplined and objective-oriented children in this chaos-filled world that we now live in, and without a lot of extra effort, would you be interested? If you were anything like me, I would think so. But first, let me ask you this. Is your story one of never, never, never giving in? You know, I know that it's easy, very easy, to write inspirational words and post them on a blog or write them in a book. But to make those words connect with willpower and stick-to-itiveness, phew, that is a whole other story. At least to me, when I read some inspirational quotes, I felt like the person who wrote it never had teenagers, or kids in general, or at least they did not live in the world that I live in. Raising a family is a battle. It is not just you against your children, as it would seem sometimes. It is you against a bunch of other unseen enemies that unravel all the work that you have consistently done through the years. It sure is a good thing that we did not get a glimpse of the terrible teen years when we were making the decision to start a family. Wouldn't you agree? Deciding to fight is half of the battle of raising your family, and it ain't no easy decision. There's a word. It is commitment. When you made your decision, did you commit to it? And just for how long? I am glad you are here. There's a lot to think about when you're making a decision what you're going to fight for in life. Deciding to fight is a complex process, and it cannot be taken lightly, especially if you want to win. Exercising faith is one of the most important components of fighting a good battle because it requires firm beliefs and a strong mind. Can you do that? Faith Power is a program unlike any other. It is meant to teach you how faith works and how to apply it in every aspect of your daily life, including raising a family. It is structured so that you can teach faith, strong faith, to your family. But hey, I don't want to convince you here. All I want you to do is make a little commitment today to show me that you are of strong mind and that you can learn something of great value. So join me for a webinar, just over an hour long, on the date that fits you best. Just enter your name and email and select the best time for you, and we'll see you there. And oh, don't forget to download a copy of the worksheets before the webinar. Join me soon, before you need to go back into battle.